Hello, welcome. If you own a phone, this video is for you. Make sure to watch to the end. In this video, I want to give you tricks how to identify original phone screen and copy. Someone called me on the phone that he needs to change his phone screen, his damaged phone screen, and I inquired about the phone and the model. He told me, so I told him that the screen will cost him 21,000 naira to fix. He said the price is high. Is that the last price? I told him yes, because that is the original screen. He said okay, that he will get back to me. All right, I didn't hear from him again. So after 3 days, he called me that his phone have another issue, that actually he got someone that replaced the screen for him at a cheaper price. All right, so he had to fix it with them. But right now, according to him, after fixing after repairing the phone developed overheating, and he don't really know what the problem is. So I told him that he have to come to our repair shop if he want us to solve that for him. So when he came to our shop, looking at the phone, I noticed that the screen on the phone is not the original screen. It's one of the reasons why the phone is overheating. I asked him how much he used to repair the screen. He said it's 13,000. Remember, I told him the original screen is 21,000. So he was able to get someone that fixed the screen for him for 13,000. Now, I want to teach you how to identify original screen and copy screen. All right. Number one way to identify original screen is price. You cannot eat your cake and have it. The price of the original screen and the copy screen is not the same. Most phones, you find out that the original screen is costly, while the copy screen is cheap. So if you don't have enough money to buy the original screen, then you go for the second one, which is the copy screen. All right. So don't expect to buy original screen the same amount you buy the second, which is the copy screen. All right, so price is number one way to identify original and copy screen. Number two is the screen color. All right, if you bring two phones and one is having original screen while the second one is having a copy screen, you will easily know, because the copy screen, the color quality will be very low, while the original screen will be very sharp, like Fullcom screen. All right. Another way to identify a copy and original screen, sadly, this one is you must have placed it on your phone before you can be able to identify that. For example, some certain phones are not compatible with copy screen. There's a phone that if you put a copy screen on it, the phone will develop overheating. So if you change your phone screen and it starts overheating, that means the screen is not compatible with the phone. All right, you have to go back and put original screen for your phone to return to its normal condition. All right, so I've given you 3 easy ways to identify a original screen and copy screen. Now, this is why LEGITFIX phone repair is different. Our screen repairs come with 3 months warranty. This means that if we repair screen for you and within 3 months, if for any reason the screen develops fault on its own, you can return it back to us and we'll replace the screen at no additional cost to you. Now, excluding water damage or physical damage. If water damage the screen, certainly will not replace it, or you break the screen, will not replace it. But if the screen develops fault on its own, then we will bear the cost. We will replace the screen at no additional cost to you. All right. So if you're looking for the best place to fix your phone, LEGITFIX phone repair is the best repair shop for you. We are at Emeko Plaza, shop A06, Main Market, Onitsha. Try us today.